name is Victoria Fennick. I am 31 years old and I work in EdTech. So having great hair really helps with your confidence because it styles better, it lasts longer throughout the day, it has more bounce and shine and life to it, and you also get more compliments as well. So obviously, I dye my hair blonde. So one of my big concerns is keeping it healthy, keeping it hydrated. So I want a shampoo that will do that. I don't like a buildup of residue in my hair. So I want something that's always going to feel soft and touchable. So those were real concerns for me. The Volumizing Shampoo felt really thick and like it was really high quality, really luxurious. And it was quite easy to get it into a lather, which I like about a shampoo because sometimes you've got to use a bit more. But with the Volumizing Shampoo, it was really easy to get that lather so you're not wasting too much product. The Kerasilk Liquid Cuticle Filler was fantastic. So it didn't weigh down my hair, it protected it against the heat, there was no sticky residue, which you can get sometimes from some heat protective sprays, and of course the smell was amazing.